Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. I am Anita Ganger. I am studying in BSc First Sem PCM combination in Sri Siddheshwara First Grade College. Today I will discuss the determination of aluminium AlO2 gravimetrically. First one topic. To determine the percentage of the aluminium in a sulfate such as in a aluminium salt by precipitating it as aluminium hydroxide, igniting do aluminium oxide Al2CO2 Al2CO3 and weighted the 26 sides. Next one. Insoluble complex aluminium oxygenate uh, can be weighted or measured spectrometrically. Dry methyl oxide. Next topic. Percentage of the determination of aluminium 3 using oxide principle. Aluminium is precipitated photon on acid solution as aluminium hydroxide AlCOH3 using aluminium hydroxide CmHOH. The 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 Galileans precipitate is filtered, washed, ignited, and covered qualitatively aluminium oxide. The mass of above obtained used to calculated the amount of aluminium in sample. Next one. Procedure. For 14 precipitation protein precipitation of solution weighted accurately about 1 gram of sample. Example parts of aluminium ball dissolved in about 50 ml of dissolved water. Add a few drops of that to execute complete dissolution. 24 precipitation of aluminium hydroxide. Principle and reaction. Al3 plus 3 C9H6OH N AlC9H6O minus N3 plus 3H plus S. Trist hydrochlorolitho aluminium is a coordination complex of aluminium and the ion. The inorganic and oxygen atoms of 8HQ are coordinate to the aluminium atoms so that complete takes accurately configuration. Next one. Held the solution nearly boiling, add amount chloride CO2 to prevent clarifyly on added hydroxide. Then add MOH solely with solving the solution is just basic pH is equal to 8-9 with weight Galileans preparated of A is equal to 18 double plus 3NH 3NHOH AlCOH3 plus 3NH plus digest the mixture of water bath for about 30 minutes to allow the precipitate to and polymer bubblation. 34 filterization and into string. Wash silver times with null dissolved here containing dilute force totem chloride. Test with AgNO no white principal PPT Ag solution from 44 aggregation. Next one. Dry the filter papers with the precipitate in alkyne translator daughter precipitate and film napalm to be force weighted cocobally that the ignetic gradient in a measure Fourier 1006 and constant 54 weighted coat the burically in a dissolved and weight the radius is per abs. Let mass of the sample weight wing mass of the cubical Al2O3 Na point gram mass of the employee bottles weight of gram thin mass of above cells V3 gram percentage aluminum oxide percentage Al2O3 weight W minus W3 into the 100 weight. Next one, aluminum metal mode mass of ratio 2 into 996.980 509 101.96 a percentage Ag is equal to 7 aluminum 90 minus 3 1 diamonds 0.900. This figures is for beakers. Next one, the calculation of the gravimetrically determination of aluminum. It typically involves precipitating it as aluminum oxonate and weighting the dried precipitate. The generally calculated step are as follows: determination of mass, the pure precipitate weight, then final dry precipitate along with it concentration. Examples: concentration subtraction the previously recalled mass of the employee dry concentration and filter paper to find the etc. mass of the aluminum oxygenate precipitate. Calculate the mass of aluminum in precipitate. The mass of aluminum determined using conversion factor gravimetrically factors based on the molar mass of all and the precipitate. Next one, conclusion. Last one topic. The conclusion for the determination of aluminum 3 using oxide 8 hydrochloric line is that the method successfully and qualitative determines the aluminum concentration through gravimetrically analysis by formation stable and easily filterable precipitate aluminum oxide. Dr. Vinayak M. Naikar, Dr. Preeti N. Talur. Reference chemistry reference by the textbook.